What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today's Worm Wednesday. This is the natural bedding, and I started doing something different. I've actually just been keeping a box on top. What that helps to do is, I'm hoping to help keep a little moisture in, but it's definitely keeping this area darker for the worms. And there you can see a few worms kind of hanging out right on top. This was the feeding area. I'm going to kind of look in here and then give this bin a fluffing. You can see some leaves that I added the last time. This almost looks like a piece of ginger or turmeric. Yep, there's no... Okay, that's just a piece of paper from when I did add some regular paper. But going through, I didn't see any food scraps, so these guys are due for another feeding. I'm going to go ahead and fluff the whole bin though. So that section that was on the far side was a little dry, so try to incorporate it with all the good nice bedding. I'm going to be adding more bedding, which is going to be the chopped up leaves. And if you can see, they're pretty dry, so I'm going to add a little water to them. Just using my little pump sprayer. I like to add a little bit of castings with the new bedding. Helps to kind of inoculate it, and it helps the microbes to start breaking down these leaves or the new bedding. I went ahead and I just did my asparagus video, and I can go ahead and put a card right up here. In doing that, I ended up breaking out a little bit of this pulverized azomite. I figured that would be a good thing for the worms, give them some extra minerals. So here's going to be the feeding. I still have some pumpkin, and I still have quite a bit of pulp from the juicer. I'll give them a pretty healthy feeding there, and then make sure that I get all this food scraps buried with the castings. Definitely, to me, the leaves make a much darker, richer casting than just the cardboard, and I'm really enjoying starting to use some leaves back in with this worm bin. One thing, you know, that I keep seeing is little twigs and stuff like that, stems from the leaves. That's going to take some time to break down, which I'm okay with. And even when I go to harvest, it's going to be just giving the castings a bit more kind of food when I go to store them. So I'm perfectly fine with kind of a little bit chunkier vermicompost, you know. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.